Hi, I'm Sandra at Sing Play Create Teaching Tips, and today I'm sharing some of my ideas on how to teach a partner song to your elementary music students. Let's get started. Today I'm sharing how to use Michael Finnigan and This Old Man as partner song. Partner songs can be really fun activities in your music class, and they are great performance songs. So if you can get your class to do a partner song, then you have a song you can use in a music performance too. Another fun activity you can do while they're learning the partner song, once we have each song learned separately and we have sung them together, you can divide the class into groups and you can have them do a pattern of the song. So group A will sing Michael Finnigan. They're going to sing it alone. And then group B is going to sing This Old Man alone. And then they're going to sing the song together. So we'll have Michael Finnigan, then This Old Man, and then we're going to put them together as a partner song. It makes a really nice performance piece. The students will feel really accomplished. It is an accomplishment for them to do this kind of work, and it also will bring a lot of joy and build classroom community while you're singing and making music together. Yay! That's what we want to do. Now, to have even more fun with our partner song, Michael Finnigan and This Old Man, we're going to add in some movement. Of course we're going to add in some movement. But first we want to make sure they know the songs really well, that they have sung the parts together. But now it's time to add in some movement. You could do some of these movement activities while they're learning the songs individually and not put together. I don't like to do that, and that's because I don't want them focusing on this while we're trying to put the songs together. I really just want them to focus on singing and working on singing together. So I save the movement for later. So with This Old Man, I think an easy movement, you could do a 4-beat body percussion. This old man, he played one, he played knick-knack on my thumb. So the group B would be singing This Old Man and doing this pattern. And group 1 or group A, I think they could just do some hand actions or make up some things. Instead of doing a 4-beat pattern, they could just be dramatizing the words. There was an old man named Michael Finnigan. He wore whiskers on his chin again. And you could have the students work with the students, go through the song, create the actions, and then practice those. Then you can put the whole thing together and have the students do the actions while they're also singing a partner song. This is a great performance piece. It's easy to do. The kids love it. And another good thing about it is most people have heard of the song This Old Man, but not everybody's heard Michael Finnigan. So pairing them together is also another twist that the audience always enjoys. We're putting This Old Man and Michael Finnigan together, and I've come up with some extension activities you can do once you know the song. Let's really enjoy it. Instead of just standing and singing, let's add in some movement. I am sharing some ideas on ways you can use movement with these songs as a possible performance opportunity, but it also helps your students with coordination, reading skills, and gross motor muscle exercise movement. So let's keep movement as an integrated part of our music class activities, even though we're doing a partner song. We just don't have to sit and sing. We can stand and be moving while we're also singing. So one idea is to have on Michael Finnigan, the movement would be down, then down and up. There was an old man named Michael Finnigan. And on This Old Man, what I would do is have all the students stand in a double circle. We're going to have one circle stand in the middle, and that's going to be the Michael Finnigan group. Now you can have them all face the inside so they can see each other and help each other singing. And they're going to do just a simple down and up movement. There was an old man named Michael Finnigan. You could do 4 movements, down, up, then up on toes and down, then down, up on toes and down. So depending on your age group, you can use one of those 2 different patterns. Then for This Old Man, I'm going to have them be on the outside circle and they're going to just walk on the beat. This old man, he played one, he played knick-knack on my thumb. And they're going to walk around the circle as they sing. You could even have them stop and go, knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. Then they start marching again. This old man, he played two. He played knick-knack on my shoe with the knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. So there's lots of fun, different actions you could do with this song. I can see this in a choral concert. You'll have one side of the class marching. This old man, he played one. He played knick-knack on my thumb. Knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. While the other side is singing, there was an old man named Michael Finnigan. He wore whiskers on his chin again. Be a really cute performance piece, and it's going to take a lot of work, but hopefully I've given you some tips, small steps along the way to make Michael Finnigan and This Old Man work as a really great partner song activity. I hope you've got some ideas from this video using Michael Finnigan and This Old Man as partner songs. You can get this free resource in the Sing, Play, Create free resource. I hope you'll leave some comments below of how you've used this video and these activities in your classroom. Let's keep kids moving and learning with music.